Hey guys, I told you before, and I'm going to tell you this again. You have to start taking life seriously, okay? Now, here's what I want to share with you. Of course, I'm wearing this because of the Red Nose campaign, which I support and donate every year. This year it's May 24, 2018. Now, I have a special promotion coming up. You get my shirts. Notice I'm wearing my shirt. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Now, what I want to share with you, if you get the 6-bundle deal, you'll get this great piece of software and free training videos. Now, if you know anything about me, that's how I kind of started my career 31 years ago, teaching people software. And I have a real knack for breaking it down very simplistically. Now, the cool thing about this software, Viral Reach, which you'll get for free when you sign up for a 6-pack, I have about 40 different Facebook pages. Yes, I have a Donald Trump page too. Love him or hate him, the guy draws traffic. So, anyway. So what you would do is, first of all, you go into your settings to set up your current time zone. And that's where you also go and set up whatever YouTube channels you're going to use. So I'm going to show you a very simple way to use this. This is absolutely a phenomenal piece of software. You can put your Facebook campaign on autopilot. Now, the other thing I want to share with you too, which is really kind of valuable, is I will provide you with free marketing materials that you can brand with your own QR code and your own affiliate link to your landing page. So it's a really great idea. I'll do the videos, I'll white label the videos, so it won't have my information. You can add your information, your QR code, your affiliate link, all that you get when you basically buy my shirts. So the first thing you need to do is basically set up and log into your Facebook account. Now, in a nutshell, I probably should take this off because it sounds like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Okay, so here's how it works. Here's how the software thinks. First thing you need to do is set up a project. Now, a project is assigned to one of your Facebook pages, okay? So let's say I wanted to put something in my Brand Builders Network, okay? Now, again, I'm going to keep this really simple. It's really this cool, but you'll be fascinated how amazing this piece of software is. And again, you're going to get this free when you buy a 6-pack bundle. Plus, you'll get a website, marketing website for the entire year for $29. It's normally $279. Now I'm going to stop before I start sounding like FM radio. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is do a project. Now, this is for in-house. So what this software is going to do, it's automatically going to post a certain time of day. Now you can do multiple campaigns. I basically post things about 4 to 5 times a day per Facebook page. Now what I do to keep myself out of trouble, I call the post what it is. So as an example, let's say I'm going to post today at 2:30. So I'm going to say 2:30 p.m. and wear my shirt campaign. Okay. Now you can put whatever you want in here, but it will actually take the information from, I'm going to take this off. It will actually take information from YouTube. You can edit that, you can change it, you can add your own affiliate code, etc., etc. I want you to get excited about this. So then it's going to say, okay, what kind of project we're going to do. So in this particular case, software simply comes down to choices. Based on these choices, I'm going to pick a video project. Then it's going to say when you want to start this. So we're going to start it today at 2:30 p.m. So I'm going to say April 10th, and I'll run this through April. I'm going to run 1, 2, 3, 4, the 13th, Friday the 13th. And of course, I want to start that at 2:30. So I'll say 2:30 p.m. Create the project. Okay, so you with me so far? So the first thing you need to do is, again, link your Facebook page to your account, to your software. Then we're going to create a project. Okay, so that's step 1. Simple, simple, simple. Then, what type of project do we want it now fulfill? Well, we're going to go to video content. And you would pick the Facebook campaign that you have. Well, in this particular case, I picked my Brand Builders Network. So as an example, let's say I pick my Christmas web store. I might not have a current video project, okay? So you can work this one of two ways. You can go right to video content and then create a project for video content. I think it's simpler if you get in the habit of understanding, let's create a project first, define what kind of project it is. So again, we're gonna go back to our Brand Builder store, and that's the project I just created right there, okay? So here's the cool part. You can search by keyword YouTube videos, but I'm going to provide marketing material for you so you don't have to jump through hoops. So I'm going to come down here to my videos. And you can do the same thing. You can basically select, I will give you the link to my videos. So it's really pretty cool. So I'm just going to select one of my accounts. And again, see, you can change this on the next page. You can change it on the fly. Now, keep in mind, these are my videos for my sales, but I would create more white label videos for you that you can put your own code and get paid and track, et cetera, et cetera. Unless, of course, you want to market and promote my videos and you want me to get paid the extra $5 or $10 per share. Hey, if you want to do that, no problem. Let me know. Okay, so I'm going to say add this video. Add this video. Now, the way it works, it's not going to allow you to add more videos than the days that you allow. So if you basically did 10 days, you're going to have to pick 10 days worth of videos. I only picked 4. So, okay. So watch what happens if I try to go overboard. It will say, hey, this section's completed because I picked a 4-day video and I'm trying to pick 5. Then I go to publish now. Now, here's a part you want to pay attention to. So you can go, keep in mind, this information here, this information here is coming right from YouTube. You can change it. You can do whatever you want here. You can put your own affiliate code. Again, I would give you unbranded videos that you can use and you can market and you promote, and that's how you're going to get paid. So in addition, I want you to get excited about this. Yeah, you're going to get paid when somebody scans your shirt, but you can also market and promote this and do your own videos. It's really exciting stuff. So here I can shuffle the order. Maybe I don't want this. Maybe I want this to appear the 2nd day or the 3rd day. So I could push this up, push this down. Really incidental. Okay. So simple. I simply go to submit to Facebook, and this is going to go and set this to publish to Facebook every once a day at 2:30 p.m. Again, you would go into your settings and set your local time zone. So if you're in Anguilla, if you're in Egypt, if you're in South Jersey, wait a second, South Jersey. No, I do not allow people from South Jersey to be part of this. I exclude that. I forbid it. Okay, North Jersey is good. South Jersey, no way. Okay, now, next up, let's get on my Facebook page. Okay, now keep in mind, this is go to our Facebook page here. So again, just keep track of what you did so you can know what page. So it's the Brand Builders Network. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to type in might take a second to come up because I'm, in fact, here, let's go here. Okay, so there's all my Facebook pages. So there's my Brand Builder Network. I go to that, and I'm just sharing with you how simple this was to do. It's not a big hoop jump, okay? Then from here, I go to Publishing Tools, and from Publishing Tools, I select Scheduled Posts, and you'll be able to see what we just scheduled. It's pretty cool stuff. I'm going to pause the video when this loads because you don't need to see sausage. Okay, it came up. All right, so I go to Scheduled Post, and there's my scheduled post. So at 2:30 p.m. every day, April 10th, 11th, 12th, or whatever you set up, you can set this up for a month of videos. It's totally cool. So if you want to see what that looks like, that's my silly face, my silly video, et cetera, et cetera. But again, I just want to overemphasize how simple this is, but that's how you're going to get traffic to use this software. It's called Viral Reach for intentionally for a reason. Now, I'll be very candid with you. I bought the software. I buy a lot of software, but I bought the software last year, and most software, I'm kind of skeptical. This works. This draws in traffic because it gets into the bloodstream. Now, what you'd probably want to do to make this really beneficial, and I have much more training videos to help and assist you. I pull out all the stops. I'm here to help you earn, because here's the deal. It's a little selfishness, but it's also, I like giving back. If you're making money, guess what? I'm making money. So I want to do all I can to help you be more profitable, to have you working smart. That's been my battle cry, guys, since 1987 when I started teaching. Back when I was 28, I'll be 60 next year, for those of you that know me. So take this one step at a time. Again, this package, this amazing Viral Reach software is free to you. Now, if you have to go out and buy it, it's like $67, but you don't have to. I have an agency license, so it's totally legal. I'm not giving you bootleg software. So you can have this when you buy it and sign up for the 6-site package. Plus, you're going to get a And I have more videos about this. I want you to get excited about the fact that you're going to get your own website, your own landing page, your own call to action. You can basically start siphoning in emails, et cetera, et cetera. That's how you grow a business. Now, keep in mind that once somebody scans the code of your shirt, yeah, the objective is to sell the shirt. But eventually, when you really fine tune and get used to this, okay, I want you to get excited about this. You could then basically cut deals with your local pizza store and say, hey, I got all these people that are buying my shirt. I could funnel them to you to buy pizza, to buy sushi, to buy whatever you want. You could use it to market your own business. I'm going to stop right now before I start sounding like FM radio. So I'll talk to you soon. Again, for those of you that don't know this, my name is Robert Farrell. Carpe Diem 2018. Just kidding.